In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a show/hide button in Tableau, effectively transforming your dashboard's interactivity and offering users more control over what they see at any given time. Let's dive right in and simplify the process, making sure you're well equipped to apply these changes efficiently. First off, open your Tableau app. If you haven't already set up your workspace, this is a great chance to get familiar with the layout and interface, which will make maneuvering through the subsequent steps much more intuitive. Once you're inside the app, navigate straight to your worksheet. This is where you'll begin the process of implementing the show/hide functionality. Now, it's time to jump over to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the central hub for visualization and where you'll carry out most of the customization work for this tutorial. To create the Show Hide button, start by dragging a vertical container onto your sheet. Using containers is essential because they provide the structure and spatial organization for your dashboard elements. Next, make sure to select the floating option for your container. The floating setting allows you to have more flexibility in placement and size, so the elements adapt better to your dashboard layout. This is crucial for maintaining a clean and functional design. The following step is to drag any filter of your choice into the container. By doing so, you're preparing the canvas where users will soon be able to show or hide components within your dashboard. Once the filter is in place, locate the drop-down menu related to this filter and click it. This will grant you access to a set of functional options to customize further. In that drop-down menu, you'll see an option to add a Show Hide button. Select it. This is the core feature that enables users to toggle visibility for elements within your container. After you've added the button, return to the drop-down menu and choose the option labeled Edit Button. This is where the magic of customization happens. While editing your button, you have the option to enhance its visual appeal by adding an image. This is not just for aesthetics, but also improves user experience by making the button more recognizable and intuitively clickable. Make sure that any image you choose is both appropriate for your dashboard's theme and easy for users to understand its purpose. Once your customization is complete, click Apply, followed by OK. This will save your settings and make them live on your dashboard. Finally, with everything set up, it's time to test your new feature. Hold down the Alt key and click your newly created button to see it in action. This allows you to evaluate how well the Show/Hide functionality integrates with the rest of your dashboard elements and ensures everything operates smoothly. And there you have it. You now know how to add a Show/Hide button in Tableau, enhancing your dashboard's interactivity and presentation.